Hi guys, welcome back to yet another episode. So on today's episode, I'm joined in by a farmer and he's going to take us through her farm and also share with us on how to make the spiral garden ready for plantation. So let's meet her and hello. Welcome to our farm. This is our farm. It is located in Miwani, Kisumu County, and we do a lot of things. Before we proceed, I also want to welcome you to my YouTube channel. I am Awar. You can go there, subscribe, watch the video on farming and any other thing, any other video that you might find there. So today I have a visitor, Irene Kabunde. You can go there and also subscribe to her YouTube channel. So Irene visited us today in our farm, and in our farm we have different types of bed. We have a spiral bed. This one is from Amiran, Kenya. Amiran is an agricultural company dealing with agriculture products. This one is also it's a mapal, also from Amiran. This one we put our giant nightshade, the farming, and then our normal beds. These are just local beds that we do. Here we had it is very dry right now. We are trying to manage. Here we have our yams. We have our sweet potatoes there. We have our cowpeas. This is a normal bed. You can just make it by yourself. We have a keyhole bed. So this kind of bed is the main one in our. Just before we proceed to the keyhold bed, we're having this conical bed, and as you can see, we're having a container on top of the bed. And on this specific day, we were transplanting the kales to the keyhold bed. So I'd wish for her to explain for us what is the essence of this particular container in the middle of the conical garden. So we put our kitchen leftovers here, and then with time they decompose. The leftovers will decompose, and there are worms that will come out of it, and then they'll get to the soil to erect the soil. So they're not much. They're black now, and we've not put a lot. So for now, this bed doesn't have a lot of chicken leftovers, but the other bed has. So this is the main type of bed that we have here, the keyhold bed. So hi guys, so this is a bed ready to be planted. So we here want to be explained to what steps it takes for us to come up with the final step for planting. So please explain for us. So this is a keyhole bed. It was made with our local fundis around. So this bed, we have soil here, and then we have our manure, the organic manure. Of course, we use organic manure which we get from our farm also, and then we have the organic manure we mix with the soil that is here. We can top it whenever it reduces, and now we mix the soil with the organic manure we have, and then after mixing the soil and the manure, we water it. After watering it, we mix again for us to get a fine land, that a fine soil, that is, and then we plant. After planting, we'll have to water it again. So it's a process, it is not that much. So as you can see, guys, we're transplanting the kales that we had from the conical garden. So we're transplanting them to this keyhold bed. So please subscribe to I Am a War channel. She also has a channel, YouTube channel. Go there, support her. And in this particular one, let's take it to 500 likes. Subscribe to the channel and always share to your favorite people. So immediately after planting, you water the bed again so that the water can be contained. So as we see here, the benefits of this keyhole bed is that it retain water for such a long time. So that makes it very suitable in conserving the warmth and the water. Please like this video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and don't forget to comment. Thank you.